Hi, my name is Mila Pearl and I am from Melbourne, Victoria, and I am an actor, singer, and a dancer. So, this is my voice test. I will show you different fluctuations of my voice, of different emotions. I naturally speak with a little bit of American accent, just picked it up purely from watching TV shows as a kid. My voice, this is quite like monotone for me. This is how I would normally speak in real life. And I suppose when I'm happy, I speak like, oh my god, that's so exciting. Oh my god, that's amazing. Congratulations. When I'm scared, I normally am a lot higher, I would say, than that. So, no, please don't, please. When I'm sad, I'm normally a bit of a droop. So for example, no, I'm not interested today. No, I don't want to do that. I can cry on cue. Obviously, I don't really know why I said that. It's got nothing to do with my voice test, but yeah, so that's it. Bye.